Okay guys, so this is for the lesson today, Tuesday the 31st of March. We did exercise 7 on page 95, the discussion. So you read the questions and you can send them to me via voicemail. Then we did exercise 8 on page 95. Have to complete the conversation about taking an Italian class and using these prompts. You have to change the sentences and you need to sound natural. So here are the answers. Are you going to do your Italian class again this year? Yes, but I'd prefer not to go to a class 3 times a week. The traveling takes ages. Well, maybe you'd be better off doing an online course. That's a possibility. How does it work? Usually you can join a group and it's like a virtual classroom. Will I have to download any special software to do the course? I don't think so. So it would be less time than going to class. You have to think about how much time you really have. I mean, you still have to study and hand homework in. And I'd have to do a lot on my own. The only problem would be speaking to other people. My colleague is doing a course where they speak on Skype. It sounds easy. I'd rather speak face-to-face than on Skype, but it might be okay. Yes, I think it would be nicer to do it from home. Well, I'd better make my mind up. The enrollment for my usual course starts tomorrow. Making your mind up means take a decision. Then, as an option, I gave you the writing exercise 9, which you can do over Easter. You have to read the text with dialogues between Anya Wade and Jesslyn. And from the information they give, you have to write an email using some of these expressions in the box for the reason why. Furthermore, well, the M is a miss, but it's quite formal, such as, which means, for example, in addition, and that's why. We also started Unit 9 on pages 96 and 97, the TED Talks. You read the introduction by Sunny Brown, who's an American, who has been called one of the 100 most creative people in business. And you need to answer the questions in exercise 1, which again you can send to me.